Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a YouTube creator using Google AdSense, you might have received a notification recently reminding you to update your US tax form before it expires. So today, I am going to walk you through the process of filling out the form and share tips on how to claim any benefits you are eligible for. So first, you need to sign into your AdSense for YouTube account, go to payments, and then click on payments info, click manage settings, click edit, this pencil icon next to United States tax info. Click manage tax info. Here you will see countries like India, Singapore and United States listed. At the bottom of the screen, look for the blue show tax details and documents link and click it. You will now be able to view all your previous tax details. Right side corner of form W-8BEN, you can see submit new form option above the address. Click the submit new form button. A new dialog box will be shown. There you have to click on start new form. Another dialog box will provide guidelines on filling out the form, mentioning that it should take around 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, you have to click Start Form, which will open a new window. You might be asked to log into your Google account. Log into your Google account if prompted. After logging in, you will start filling out the form. At the top, it will say United States Tax Info. For the question what type of account, select individual. When asked, are you a citizen or resident of the US, select no. Select W-8BEN. Start W-8BEN. Owner's name as per the PAN card. DBA is optional, leave it blank. Country and region, select India. In foreign TIN, enter your PAN card number. Click on Next. If you have a PO box number, check this option. If not, leave it unchecked. Then enter your full address. If postal address is same as your residential address, then tick this checkbox. Otherwise, you have to write down the different mailing address. Click on Next. For the third section, tax treaty, select yes, I am eligible for a reduced withhold rate. US and India have a tax treaty, so click on the option yes, I am eligible for reducing withholding rate. Tick the box for resident of the following country and choose India from the drop-down menu. Check the other copyright royalties box. Select the article and paragraph as Article 12, paragraph 2A2 and set the withholding rate to 15%. Check the reason checkbox below. Check the services and other business income. Choose Article 7, paragraph 1 with a withholding rate of 0%. Tick the reason box below. Check the motion picture and TV royalties option. Choose Article 12, paragraph 2A2 with a withholding rate of 15%. Tick the reason box below. Click Next. You will see a summary of your entries. Proceed to fill out the fourth section, which is activities and services performed in the US. Select no because you don't have any employees, equipment or services in the US. So your content like videos are created outside the US. Check the I certify box. Click Next. In the fifth section, tax reporting, select Go Paperless and check I accept the paperless delivery. If you don't choose this, then Google might send you the documents by post. Click Next. Review your documents and download the PDF format if you needed. Tick the Confirm box. Click Next. Proceed to the final section. Tick the I Declare box. Do not select the Unchanged Status Affidavit option. For your signature, tick Yes, I am the beneficial owner. Click Submit to finalize the form. Once submitted, you will see your US tax information under Form W-8BEN. This includes the status, submission date, and an expiry date 3 years from now. All withholding rates you claimed will be shown in green. And that's it. And that's how you fill out the US tax form in AdSense. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with your fellow creators. Thank you for watching.